Hi guys, my name is Alberto with Remax Real Estate Associates. I would like to invite you today to our next open house. Our house is actually located on the south side of town, going down 45 South and the Beltway. It's actually an amazing house. It was remodeled down to the studs. You're gonna love the color selection. It has a very open floor plan and a fairly large backyard. The home measures roughly about 2,800 square feet and it's under $100 per square foot. For all the money they put into this home, it's actually a bargain. The master closet is crazy big, guys. And did I forget to mention, there's a wet bar in the kitchen. Great for social gatherings. This home features a one-of-a-kind study flooded with natural light. That master shower is so luxurious, it's gonna make you feel like you're in a 5-star hotel. Come take a look at this amazing home. See you soon.